We just gotta catch this American flag on video.
What item? What is it? Is there anything you got? Snacks? You got drinks?
You found your flag, huh?
Wipe downs and all those things.
Alright.
Okay, well.
Right now we're to the point of just picking through what we can salvage.
Alright, well.
And we've got excavator, and I think sometime they're going to get a bulldozer. We've got friends that are loaning us equipment.
That's awesome. That's what friends do.
And most of the trees we just been pushing them over.
There you go.
Got a cat still around.
Yes, I'm missing one. If y'all see an orange one in between here and there.
Okay.
With a funny looking tail.
With a funny looking tail. Was that
How would you like that for it to be your truck? Rough stuff.
on to the next one there.
Dang.
So we're gonna head back and start heading north across the interstate. It's pretty bad hit areas over there.
Yeah.
If y'all just want to give us the sit rep on this.
That is how high the steps are, and it's where the house was.
Twisted that bugger down.
Oh yeah. So the house actually fell.
See the blocks on the side.
Yeah, house is on the ground. Oh man.
2 foot crawl space pole.
Yep. That's some rough stuff.
Yeah, see this.
That's what it was.
Yep. Imagine if that were your house. Ooh, Pixar. Billboards. Serves as tarps. Just checking on these people. It's like a strong breeze came through here. Blew these things over. And looks like it got the sprinkler lines. Yeah, that's the least of their problems. And there's this blue healer. And dog does not want to get out of the truck. Take me with you!
Roll down. He's ready. No, come on.
No, I don't want to go. No, I don't want to go.
This house is going to get some water and a couple of snacks. And like
Oh Lord. Yeah. I hear you, bud. Take me with you. I'm traumatized. I don't like it here.
whatever they need.
Tornadoes.
Yeah, my truck. Are you asking?
No, I was offering snacks.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's what Oathkeeper does. Oathkeeper's no snacks now. That's what we gotta do. That and dogs. No, you're not gonna get in my truck. I know what you're thinking. I'm smarter than that. At least I think so.
And 2XTA Mobile convoy arriving on location 0907.
QSL, M4KIZ clear for a moment.
Okay, where do we go? Just here?
Right there, pull on in there. That door to your right, That's where the supply room is. Right there, that door in front of you to the right.
Hey guys, I'm gonna back up close to it. Get the tailgate up to it.
It was definitely a whole nother attitude 2 days ago, though.
They're calming down, so. But they were out in it, so. Then they'll never forget you. You come 10 years later and they still know that smell.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're back. It's not a good act.
That one was over back off.
Preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.